This is a ship in the bottle puzzle. It was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin and made by Recent Toys. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the bottle and then put them back inside, which may look easy at a first glance, but the thing here is that you won't be able to put your fingers inside to move the parts, so it is partly a dexterity challenge. And also there are 2 layers of parts. There is a layer with the image of a ship, but on the other side there is another layer of parts that you have to remove and put back inside as well. If you like the ship in the bottle puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. As I mentioned, it will be quite a dexterity challenge, so you have to remove the parts first, which will be not that easy, like that. Then this piece can go out like that. I will be putting them in the correct sequence so that it will be a little bit easier to show you the video. Then, as you can see, there are no moving parts, since some of the pieces they go with the bottom layer, so you have to remove some of the bottom parts now. Like this one goes out next. Ooh. And you can remove it like that. Then this piece can be removed, but again, it's a crazy dexterity challenge. The parts are moving in all the ways, but you have to move them only in the correct way out of the bottle. I can put my finger inside a little bit, but if your fingers are much thicker, it won't be possible. Okay, so what's next? What are the next parts to remove? I have to put everything back here and now slide out just these 2 parts. But these are sliding as well. Okay, let's try again. I hope those will stay in one place and I will be able to move only... I'm aiming to move all the parts here, but keep this right in this spot so that I can move it 1 step down to remove it. Okay, like that. No, that doesn't help at all. As you can see, quite a challenging puzzle. Okay, what I can do here is probably remove this part, but to do that I have to move this bottom piece all the way down here. Yeah, crazy challenge. Yeah, please move down. Oh no, as you can see, this piece on the bottom layer moves as well. Oh, so I have to find a way to move just the piece that I need. Oh, like that. Now 1 step down, please. It seems almost impossible. I wish I could... Oh, I can reach it with my finger. Okay, that's a little bit of a cheating, but at least I was able to remove this part. Oh, that is crazy. I have no idea where to put it next, since it already feels like I lost tracking of what I was doing, but doesn't matter. I'll keep trying. Now I can tilt the box and remove this piece. Like that. Get out. Yeah. Woo. Okay, now it will be a little bit easier since we have more space inside of the bottle. I will be able to remove this piece. It will be right in here. Then this piece and that piece, and finally the puzzle is disassembled. Oh, that took me a while to do that. As you can see, quite a difficult challenge. Now I'll try to assemble everything outside of the bottle to see if I remember the correct sequence. This piece goes in here, this goes in here, and this was on the bottom. Yeah, like that. And that's how you take the ship in the bottle puzzle apart. Now, the easy part, you just have to put everything back together. If you like this puzzle and you want to try to solve it by yourself, you can get it at puzzlemaster.ca.